This is video 1 of 2 videos that are going to walk you through how to submit an assignment. There are 2 ways we will submit assignments this year. One will be through Nearpod and the other will be right here through Canvas. The first way we're going to look at in this video is through Nearpod. So remember, when you log on to your Canvas page, you will scroll down to the month buttons. You will select the month and the week to find your weekly agenda with your assignments. You will have your first Nearpod assignment on Tuesday of this week, and it is called Hello, My Name Is. And you'll see it right here on your agenda. It's highlighted and has the yellow finger, which tells you that it's an assignment that's due. Whenever I post assignments, they'll have the yellow finger and they'll be highlighted. And I'll let you know if they are on Nearpod or Canvas, because you will submit them differently depending on which platform they are on. For this first assignment, you'll just click here, Hello, My Name Is. And I'm going to actually click to a different screen because this assignment, if I were to click on it, is closed because school hasn't started yet. However, when school starts and these assignments open up to you, you'll be able to click right here and you will find a screen that looks like this. For Nearpod, your name as it shows up on Canvas will present here. If you go by something else, if you have a nickname or you go by your middle name perhaps, you can enter that as the name you'd like to go by. You'll just enter that information and click Join Lesson. Now, what I really like about Nearpod is that it is a more interactive version of some other platforms that we use to share information. So it's a little bit different than Google Slides or PowerPoint because you can interact with Nearpod. I also like the fact that I can record some audio. I know we're going to be viewing a lot of content. We're going to be staring at our computer screens a lot. And I know for me personally, it helps if I'm not reading every word. So you'll find at the bottom of almost every Nearpod screen, I have recorded some audio. So make sure if you see this gray bar down here at the bottom that you click play and listen to the audio as well as viewing and reading what's on the slide. Congratulations, you made it to your first Nearpod assignment. So just like that, you can click to hear what the slide is about and some clarification. I promise I don't read every slide word for word, and I do include some extra information on the recordings. Okay, once you view and listen to this slide, you'll click right over here to the next slide. Now, we're going to be viewing a lot of content on Canvas and Nearpod, so forgive me if I am making lots of cheesy jokes. Hopefully you laugh at least one of them. This slide is going to tell you a little bit more about your assignment. There is another audio recording, so make sure you listen to it. As you go, you'll click through the slide. You'll see that your first part of this assignment asks you to use your student email to send me an audio file. Now, like I said on some of the other videos, the first day or 2 of the semester is going to be less about content and more about making sure that you can use our platforms correctly. So this assignment and this task isn't necessarily grading you on how great your audio file is, your creativity, or anything like that. I'm just checking to make sure that you understand the process and that you're able to access your student email, use a Nearpod, and get this information to me. The second part of your assignment is going to ask you to submit an image. This is also important because this is a technique we're going to use to share a lot of images this year, whether it's reference pictures, in progress work, critiques, feedback. We're going to do a lot of those in progress pieces here on Nearpod. So for the second part of this assignment, I'm just asking you to participate in this collaboration board, which is this kind of cork board looking picture you have right here in front of you. And I'm just going to ask that you post a funny picture. So keeping it school appropriate, what I want you to do is come down here to this blue photo icon. I want you to click here, and you'll find a couple of options to upload images. You could search Google, but for this assignment, I'm going to ask you to click right here, drop or add any image from your device, whether it's your tablet or your computer. And just to give you an idea, I'm going to ask you to add something silly. So a picture that you have on your computer that you find funny. So I'm going to select this picture I have right here of my daughter. And you'll see it's loaded. It presents right here on the screen. So before you click Save to import the image, you can check and make sure you've got the right image, you're submitting the right thing. Once you've decided this is what you want to submit, you can click Save. And then you can post just your image, but I'm going to ask you to come right over here and add your name and tell us why you chose this image. So I selected this image of my daughter because she is wearing the overalls that I wore as a baby. And I think that's pretty cute and funny. So now that I've got my picture, I can see the thumbnail of it right here, and I've got just a brief statement with my name, I can go ahead and post this to our collaboration board. And what you'll see is as you post, your classmates and you will be able to kind of click around and view what everyone posts. So we'll be able to collaborate and get feedback, kind of view each other, get to know each other, catch up with each other, and we can do things like we see on Instagram and Facebook, like liking a photo. Next, you're going to click to the final slide of your Nearpod. Make sure you listen to that audio, and you'll click all the way through your Nearpod until you get to the final Nearpod screen. You'll know you're done with your Nearpod assignment when there's no more arrows to click. Now, if at any point you feel like you need to take some extra notes, or maybe you need to send me an email regarding a Nearpod assignment, maybe you have a question or you need some clarification, you can click and do that right here at the end of the Nearpod. So this is how you submit your first assignment for Hello, My Name Is, using the Nearpod app. Again, everything that you have due for this course will be located here in your weekly agenda. So on day 1, everything you need to complete is in your Monday box. On day 2, everything you need to complete is in your Tuesday box, including announcements like this reminder in green that we have our first Microsoft Teams meeting tomorrow. The next video that I share with you will be about submitting an assignment through Canvas.